Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to delete automatically someone emails on Gmail. So firstly open your Gmail account. Now click on this gear icon. Now here click on see all settings. Now here click on filters and blocked addresses. Then click on create a new filter. Now here type address from where you want to delete automatically this particular email. Now here click on create filter. Now guys, here you will see some options. Skip the inbox, mark as read, star it, and here is the option delete it. So select delete it, then click on create filter. So this is the way guys you can delete automatically someone emails on Gmail. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.